everybody, welcome to Paint Day. I am so excited today because it is my paint day. Not that I mind doing the technical stuff, editing the videos and all of that, because you gotta do it, right? But it's the painting that I love. So today I'm pretty excited, and today I'm going to do a simple cloud pour. It's not going to be anything fancy, and it's going to be a lot of purple and a little bit of mint green. Like the mint green, hopefully that really gives it a cool effect. So I got my big cup. It has a little bit of purple in it, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the darkest color, which is the dark purple. About half of that in there. And then I'm going to put in some white. And then some light purple. Half of that. And then some more white. And I'm doing this because I don't want the green to be all mixed in with it. I want the green to just be around the outside. So let's hope this works. And let's get this purple in there. Straight that out. Waste not, want not. White. And then the last of the lighter purple. And a little bit more white again. And let's start with the green. So beautiful and sunny out today. Just makes me think spring. Last of that green in there. Alright, so I'll let this dry, and then I'll take a photo of it so you can actually see how much of these flowers actually stay, because there's so much fluid going on here that we want to make sure they stay. And unfortunately, a lot of times the paint just flows back in. So, we'll take it like it is right now, and then I'll post a picture at the end after it's dry. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch it. You have any questions or comments, please, down below, please leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing, whether you like them or not. And please subscribe, and then you can see what's going to be coming up next. So you all have a great day, and we'll see you soon.